谁？一起来看看吧。大卫今年多大
？20多岁。
大卫多高
1.8米。
你怎么知道这么多啊？
他是我同学。
大卫是谁？大卫是我同学。
So happy to see you again. Have you learned everything you've studied before? Today, we are going to learn a new language point. Please read after me. 大卫今年多大？大卫今年多大？ This sentence means how old is David? 多 is an interactive pronoun. It is often used before an adjective asking about the degree of something. A specific quantity should be given to answer the question. For example, 你多大？你多大？ When someone is asking you 你多大? That means how old are you? Like we mentioned before, when you answer this question, you should answer a specific quantity. For example, 我10岁了。我10岁了。I am 10 years old. What about this one? 大卫多高？大卫多高？ This question is asking how tall is David? Great! Let's look at the last example. 他多高？他多高？ Now, can you tell me what is the meaning of this sentence? I bet you know it. Yes! How tall is he? Remember, you should give a specific number when answer the question. You got it? Bye-bye!
他是张老师。张老师忙吗？一起来看看吧。
张老师星期六也不休息啊？
是啊，他这几天很忙，没有时间休息。
那会很累吧？
他每天回来都累。张老师忙吗？张老师很忙。